Welcome to our latest update on a project that's been 2 years in the making. Originally, our mission was to create an automated crypto trading robot, a behind-the-scenes genius designed to work tirelessly, effortlessly, raking in profits. The idea was simple: minimize losses and maximize gains, giving us a steady net profit without lifting a finger. Fast forward to today, and we have breathed new life into this project with a more advanced and secure version. While the original bot was built with a rock-solid philosophy of avoiding losses at all costs, so safe that it would promise that you would never lose money but only gain. It turned out that perfection is hard to achieve. Although it was reliable, there were some challenges and limitations. Our revamped version takes things up a notch. Instead of sticking to the old school approach, we have integrated sophisticated technical indicators to pinpoint the best moments to buy and sell. This new version acknowledges that losses are a part of trading, but uses advanced algorithms to maximize the probability of success. It's smarter, faster, and designed to ensure profits over time, even if the occasional loss occurs. Built in Python, optimized for lightning speed, this bot makes split-second decisions, processing data and executing trades in milliseconds. We have tested it with real money through the Binance API, and the results have been impressive, bringing in tangible profits and validating our improvements.
While working on this project, we also developed two helpful libraries that are not directly related to crypto or trading, but could be valuable for many of you. The first one addresses a common issue in Python: logging and printing colorful, stylish output. We created a library called UltraPrint to make this process simple and intuitive. UltraPrint enhances the standard print function by allowing you to print text in a variety of colors and styles, making your terminal output both organized and visually appealing. Whether you want your text in red, green, blue, or even with special effects like bold or underlined, UltraPrint has you covered. It also includes a logger class that can record messages of different severity levels like info, warnings, errors, and more, both on the terminal and in a log file for later review. Imagine you are coding and you need to quickly identify important information or errors. UltraPrint makes this easy by letting you customize the color and style of your output. You can install it with a simple command, and once it's set up, you can start printing text in any format and color you desire. With the logger class, you can not only print messages in color but also save them in a log file, making it easy to track your program's behavior over time. This library is perfect for developers who want to make their output more informative and engaging. Just use pip install UltraPrint to get started.
The second library we built is called PotatoDB, stands for Potato Database. This tool was created to provide a simple, straightforward way to store data in a database that you can easily open and inspect without needing to run complex algorithms. Unlike more advanced databases that focus heavily on security and features, PotatoDB is designed for those who want to experiment fast and test ideas or build datasets for machine learning and AI projects. PotatoDB is ideal for situations where you need a minimalistic database solution that's easy to use. For example, when we are working on a model to predict cryptocurrency price actions, we needed to build comprehensive datasets. Having a straightforward database like PotatoDB was incredibly useful. With PotatoDB, you can store your data in JSON format, which is easy to read and manage. You can create multiple tables, insert, query, update, and delete records with simple commands. The data is saved automatically after each operation, ensuring that your changes persist across sessions. Installation is a breeze. Just use pip install PotatoDB to download and install PotatoDB or add files directly to your project. Once installed, you can create a new PotatoDB instance, specify a folder for your data, and start using it right away. The database operates in memory and saves it to a physical JSON file, making it easy to open and view your data whenever needed.
And that wraps up our overview. You can explore both UltraPrint and PotatoDB by checking out the links in the description below. We are continuously improving these libraries to enhance their functionality and making them even more valuable for developers. Additionally, our crypto trading bot, which we are actively using with real investments, has proven to be both reliable and effective, generating real-time profits. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to refine and expand our tools.